Advancing and age can be a little bit like a classic car. Hear me out. For a moment, all the parts need to be replaced because they just start to break down or get worn out. That's okay. That's the way your retirement plan should be. Should be planning for those go-go years in the beginning of your retirement when you're still younger and healthy, and you can go do what you want to do. Maybe vacations, visiting family, friends all over the country or the world. Then it becomes the slow-go years. We just don't go at the same place the way that we used to. Things are a little slower. Maybe we're not traveling as much, maybe a little bit more time at home. Unfortunately, for most, comes along the no-go years. Those are the years that health really takes a toll. It's time to replace a lot of those parts, maybe a new knee or even a new heart. But one thing doesn't change. This needs to be part of your plan. Your health should be part like a classic car. It should be nice, shiny, run very well, and taken care of and parked safely in your garage. Let's talk about the way those years and your health fall into your retirement plan.